Hi there, in this quick video, I will be giving you my long-term review of the WOODBRIDGE Freestanding Bathtub and highlight its key features as well as answer some of the top questions about the product. I've had this bathtub for about 8 years now, and as you can see, it looks like new. The quality is definitely top-notch, and there's a reason for that. WOODBRIDGE bathtubs are made out of 100% high-gloss white lucite acrylic and reinforced with ashland resin and fiberglass. All of these are top-quality materials which are rarely used by others due to a relatively high cost. This tub is easy to clean, easy to maintain, stain resistant, scratch resistant to maintain its high gloss finish for years to come. Now let's answer a few common questions. The drain is positioned in the small end of the tub. Its capacity is 65 gallons and the dimensions of the tub are 67 by 28.25 by 28.75 inches. So that's my quick review on the WOODBRIDGE Freestanding Tub. Overall, I am so happy with this tub. It is very comfortable to bathe in, and I couldn't be happier with the quality. Thanks for watching.